This turnkey-ready home with a cul-de-sac setting is located just north of Totem Lake Shopping Center with all the convenience you can imagine: Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Nordstrom Racks, restaurants, library, cinema, medical centers and bus lines. Open flowing floor plan, with high ceiling in the living and dining rooms. Large windows and skylights allow abundant sunlight into the house. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinet storage and a walk-in pantry. East-facing owner's suite has a 5-piece bath and a walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms on top floor. The office on main floor can also be used as a guest room. There is cozy fireplace next to a built-in bookshelf in family room. A fully fenced backyard has room for gardening. Covered front porch and back patio for your outdoor relaxation. New roof has just been installed. Easy access to I-405, Meta, and Microsoft.